Everyone thinks the best-selling Oxy Acetylene torch kit is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Victor G150 Torch Kit. The ESAB Victor 3804945 G150 JP light-duty gas welding outfit caught my eye with its solid reputation and a price tag of $286.84. It's a great option if you want an easy-to-carry kit that doesn't skimp on quality. You get a torch that can cut up to 1.2 and weld up to 1.14 with the right nozzles, which is perfect for light-duty tasks. With a stellar 4.7-star rating from 903 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its reliability. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're looking for portability and ease of access, the built-in storage compartments will keep everything organized, making your work smoother. Now, some people complained about the price being a bit steep for a light-duty kit. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your work, investing in a quality torch can save you headaches down the line. This is perfect for you if you're a metalworker or DIY enthusiast needing a reliable setup. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option or only need something for very light tasks. For the quality you're getting, it's a solid value. Now, if that price tag is making you hesitate, the next one on my list offers great features at a lower cost. Product number 2, RX Weld Torch Kit. Next up is the RX Weld Light Duty Oxy Fuel Welding and Cutting Torch Kit priced at $169.99. It's labeled as a bestseller, and for good reason. This kit is designed specifically for light-duty brazing and welding tasks, making it ideal for HVAC repairs and metal craft projects. It can handle welding up to 564, but can also accommodate up to 1 with optional nozzles. Safety is key here, and it includes check valves to prevent gas backflow, which is critical for avoiding flashback incidents. With a solid 4.4-star rating from 78 reviews, you can see that customers appreciate the safety features and ease of use. Now, some users pointed out that the kit doesn't come with gas cylinders, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you're already familiar with gas setups, you probably have your own cylinders or know where to get them. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or need a reliable kit for smaller jobs. Skip this one if you require something heavy-duty or already have a complete setup. For the features you get, it's a great deal. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more power. Product number 3, BLUFIRE MAPP Gas Torch Kit. The BLUFIRE Oxypropane Welding Gas Cutting Torch Kit is another interesting choice at just $73.99. It's definitely the budget-friendly option. What stands out is its powerful flame that heats up to 5,252 degrees F, making it suitable for various tasks like cutting, welding, and soldering. Even though it's on the cheaper side, it boasts a decent 3.8-star rating from 706 reviews, indicating that many users find it useful for light tasks. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're just starting out or need something for occasional projects, this kit could be a great fit without breaking the bank. Now, the downside is that the kit requires both MAPP and propane bottles, which some users found confusing. But let's be real, if you're willing to learn and set it up, the savings are worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist looking to dabble in welding without spending a fortune. Skip this if you're a pro needing something more robust. For the price, you really can't beat it. Now, if you're looking for something more versatile, the next product has a lot to offer. Product number 4, Hobart 770502 Torch Kit. Next on the list is the Hobart 770502 Medium-Duty Oxy Acetylene Kit, which comes in at $273.99. This kit has a versatile performance that caught my attention. It's built for a variety of tasks, from farming to automotive work, making it a great all-around choice if you're flexible in your projects. This kit offers the ability to use both acetylene and propane, which means you can adapt to different fuel types based on your needs. Plus, the reverse flow check valves enhance safety by preventing backflow, a feature that's essential for any torch user. With a 4.6-star rating from 230 reviews, it's proven to be reliable. Here's why this matters. If you require a tool that can handle diverse applications, this kit is designed to perform well under frequent use. Now, some users mention that it can be a little tricky for beginners. Here's the thing though, if you take the time to read the user manual and learn, it's worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're a DIYer or professional needing a reliable and adaptable torch kit. Skip this one if you're completely new and want something easier to use. Given the quality and versatility, it's a worthwhile investment. Finally, if you want something even more portable, the last product on my list might catch your eye. Product number 5, Stark USA Welding Set. Last up is the Stark USA Portable Oxygen Acetylene Welder priced at $119.95. This one is all about convenience and portability. The set is designed for various welding tasks, making it ideal for both amateurs and professionals. It comes with dual scale gauges for easy adjustments and a sturdy design that feels good in your hands. With 4.3 stars from 297 reviews, it clearly meets the needs of many users. Here's why this matters. If you're moving around a lot for your projects, this kit's portability and organization features will save you time and hassle. Now, one downside is that some users felt the hoses are a bit short. But honestly, if you just need a reliable setup for mobility, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're always on the go and need a reliable welding kit. Skip this if you require something for heavy-duty tasks. For the price, it's a solid investment for portable welding. So to quickly compare, we've got the Victor G150 for portability, the RX Weld for safety and reliability, BLUFIRE for the budget-conscious, Hobart for versatility, and Stark USA for convenience. Each has its strengths, so consider your specific needs when making a choice. Happy welding!